There are big and small tanks in BPCL Kochi refinery and works are often done inside them. We know that it is very dangerous to work inside tanks and confined spaces. A shocking accident happened in the small vessel MBB at the DM plant on the 26th of November 2015, time 11 in the morning. Balan, a contract worker of Kochi refinery, gets ready to apply adhesive paint on the rubber lining inside the vessel. The paint is carried in a bucket and it goes inside the small MBB vessel. But Balan does not have any safety equipment like the breathing apparatus, lights or ladder. A big mistake. He starts his work. The adhesive paint vaporizes slowly, giving out a smell. Inhaling this vapor for a long time causes serious health problems. So, such works in confined spaces should be handed over to another worker after 45 minutes. The time is nearing 45 minutes. But Balan continues his work without thinking about the time. The vapor of the adhesive paint spreads inside the vessel. Due to inhaling the vapor for a long time, Balan becomes unconscious. As he falls down, he tumbles over the bucket and the paint flows out and spreads all along. Two standby workers standing on top of the vessel watch him collapsing. They immediately inform the control room. They call two other men to remain as standby on top of the vessel and then get inside the vessel for rescue. They lift the unconscious Balan and rescue him outside the vessel with the help of the standby team from the top of the vessel. But the vapor is too much for them and they also start feeling discomfort inside the vessel. One supervisor enters the vessel, but he understands that there is something abnormal. So without standing there for a long time, he immediately leaves the vessel. One of the standby members from the top of the vessel quickly gets inside to rescue them. He and a healthier of the two, who is already there inside the vessel, rescue the other person who almost fainted there. The healthy person tries to lift the one who newly entered the vessel, but he can't. Having seen this, another person from the top of the vessel enters inside the vessel. But now the vessel is full of vapor and all three persons remain helpless. Finally, they all fell unconscious. However, the rescue team arrives within seconds and gets into action. The three men are immediately rescued from the vessel and taken to hospital. They are saved only because of timely arrival of the rescue team. The rescue team enters inside the vessel by wearing the SCBA set. So, great care should be taken to avoid such incidents. Whether in Kochi refinery or any other place, while working in confined space or inside small vessel, you should have breathing apparatus, light for confined space and ladder for getting inside the vessel. Also, don't forget to ask your co-workers to keep a watch on you. These instructions should be strictly followed to avoid unfortunate incidents. Always follow the confined space entry procedure and work permit system. Ensure sufficient ventilation inside the confined space by maintaining the air eductor or other means. Ensure adequate means of access of the confined space. Ensure sufficient lighting inside the confined space. Periodically check the presence of oxygen and other gases and record it. If oxygen presence is less than 19.5% by volume or other unwanted gases are above the TLV, breathing apparatus should be worn. A register shall be kept to record the in and out time of the person entering inside the confined space. Ensure no worker is overstaying beyond the allowed time limit. The standby person shall also be equipped with SCBA set and ready to enter inside the confined space if required. All workers shall be given a toolbox stock on the hazards and precautions.